Texas Barcode Systems is a Honeywell Platinum Elite partner. That's Honeywell's highest level partnership. And today, we want to show you the next generation of Honeywell mobile computers, devices that can change and significantly improve how your workers perform. What is the best mobile device? Well, quite frankly, that depends on your requirements. Which operating system do you need? I can tell you that 85% of the AIDC marketplace now goes with Android. From an ergonomics point of view, how rugged does the device need to be? Durable, rugged, or even ultra rugged? And do you need a keyboard? Do you need a full keyboard, a mini keyboard, or is an all-touch device best fit for you? From an ergonomics point of view, do you want to use a pistol grip, a hands-free wearable, a tablet, or even a vehicle mount unit? And next, you need to consider barcode scanning. Is it going to be something standard range, maybe 3 inches to 8 feet? Or do you want to use one of the newer technologies that can scan anywhere from 3 inches to 35 feet? Or do you have an extreme case where you need to go out maybe all the way to 80 or 100 feet? And then the last thing in terms of value, how long are you going to keep the device? Is the device going to be versatile enough to use with multiple applications? And are you working with an experienced Honeywell partner who can assist you through the process? The good news, with the invention of some new technologies, we can now simplify your choices for about 85% of the use cases down to 2 options. Number 1, which will meet most of the use cases, you can have an Android device that has support up until 2030. It'll be rugged, hands-free, and have a full touchscreen device, which most of the millennials are used to using today. It has a new FlexRange scanning technology that'll fit into a small form factor and can scan anywhere from 3 inches to 35 feet. And it's going to be versatile enough to use with multiple applications. We'll go into more detail shortly. The second option, primarily for warehouses with high racking, it's still an Android device with support until 2030, ultra rugged, full keyboard, and a pistol grip. And you can do near and extreme far range scanning anywhere from 8 inches to 80 feet. And we recommend that you work with Texas Barcode Systems, an experienced platinum partner with over 20 plus years of AIDC experience. Okay, let's dig a little deeper into the first use case, option number 1. With the new FlexRange scanning technology, it not only gives you the ability of scanning from a few inches to 35 feet, but it comes in an ultra-thin packaging, which means you can fit the scan engine into a wide variety of devices, including the device you see there in the bottom right-hand corner, a device that you can wear on the back of your forearm and is not much bigger than your smartphone. So let's put all the pieces together, show you what you're going to get, and then provide you a demo. So we're going to start out with the Honeywell CT40 XP. XP stands for Extreme Performance. This is going to be the Swiss Army knife of data collection. It's going to have new bleeding edge technology. It's going to have a lot of power and versatility. It's going to have the new game-changing FlexRange scanning technology, and it's going to be a hand-free solution like no other. The Honeywell CT40 is part of Honeywell's Mobility Edge platform. It's a unified platform for mobile computing. As you can see in the picture, you see 7 different form factors. But inside all of those devices is the Honeywell SOM, or System On Module. This is one common motherboard that has the same electronics, firmware, operating system throughout all the devices. Basically, if you learn one, you know them all. This gives you the advantage of if you have multiple use cases, you can use multiple devices, and still your learning curve will be the same. Again, if you know one, you know them all. So you can develop once, certify once, and then manage uniformly. A few details about the CT40 XP or Extreme Performance. First of all, it has the new revolutionary FlexRange scanner, scanning 3 inches to 35 feet. It can go all the way up to Android 13, which has support until 2030 by Honeywell. Has 2 cameras, a rear and a front-facing camera. It has enhanced Wi-Fi, 2x2 MIMO, which will give you greater coverage and faster throughput. It has enhanced Bluetooth 5.0, and a second beacon. The second beacon can help you find your device using software, even if the device is powered down, so reduce your lost devices. It's a rugged device with an IP67 rating, which means you could put it underwater for 30 minutes with the device on and it'll still work. There's been several audio enhancements. First of all, it is Vocalect compatible. Vocalect is voice data collection software through Honeywell that can allow you to do order picking via voice. It also has voice over IP software so that you can use this device as a phone, whether you use it as a pager, just a regular phone, or video phone. It has a push to talk button on it, dedicated so that you can make calls. And of course, a louder speaker and a microphone jack if you want to use something other than a Bluetooth headset. Here are just a few reasons why we refer to this as the Swiss Army knife for data collection. You start out with the CT40 Extreme Performance mobile computer, the FlexRange scanning. We're going to show you a wearable option with a Bluetooth trigger for hands-free operation. We've mentioned the voice over IP using Honeywell SmartTalk, which has over 20 million users. The voice data collection from Vocalect has over 1 million users. You can add an RFID scan handle to this. We also have operational intelligence, which is a cloud-based tool to monitor the efficiency of the device, the workers, and even the network. Here's a sample use case where you might put all this technology together. Imagine you've ordered online your food from your local grocery store. The worker at the grocery store receives a call on their CT40 saying they have a new customer coming in and they need an order as soon as possible. He gets onto the Vocalect voice data collection software and it directs him to go up and down the aisles and which products to pick. For example, it might be gray poupon mustard, 4 ounces. It displays a picture on the screen of the CT40. He picks it up, scans it hands-free using his wearable, and goes to the next pick. Okay, let's take a look at the wearable portion. So now you can wear the CT40 on the back of your forearm. With the strap, you can actually put it in landscape mode or portrait mode. It works well either way. You have a little red B-ring trigger. This is a Bluetooth low energy trigger. And when you push that button, it enables the internal scanner of the CT40. Let's see how well that works.
For the order picking, I used to have this, but now I have the B-ring solution. Much more convenient, lighter and comfortable. That allows us to be hands-free. This is a huge advantage for the order picking. And I don't want that anymore.
Now we've seen how well the CT40 and the B-ring work in a production environment. Let's get a better idea of how well this thing will scan from different distances, whether that's a 5 mil barcode all the way up to a 100 mil barcode. Okay, here we go for the 100 mil barcode. Now the 40 mil barcode. And now we're going to do the 20 mil, the 10 mil, and the 5 mil barcode. 20 mil, 10 mil, 5 mil. Thank you for your time. If you'd like to get more details or a demo, please reach out to David Edwards, President of Texas Barcode Systems. He can help you with this device or any of your barcode data collection needs, including printers, scanners, and barcode media.